Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company, and today we have another lovely prize for you. This is a 1979 Honda CBX 1000, 6 cylinders with a 6-into-1 exhaust system, which makes it sound absolutely amazing. This competition is being drawn on the 1st of June at 9 PM, and tickets for this are £2.99, so a lot of bike for £2.99 if you win this. What we're going to do now is show you how to start it. If you're the winner watching, this is a good video to reference. Right, the bike is cold. You can see here, nice and cool exhausts. The first thing we need to do, well I like to do anyway, is turn the ignition on. And we have a fuel tap down here which has off, on and reserve. And we'll put it on reserve. And there is a choke up here on the handlebars, which you hold. It clicks up there and it will stay there, and that's where you're meant to start it. And then you've got run and off up here, need to go on run, button here, and hopefully it will start, so it won't take too long. Okay, that's good. So it will take quite a bit of warming up because it's got 6 cylinders and 6 pistons and lots of valves. We had it running yesterday, so it's starting quite well and doesn't sound like too fluffy either. So we need to keep it on the choke for a bit. This is off the choke and you can hear a bit fluffy. That's on the choke. So we'll just let it tick over a bit. But yeah, really nice condition. Looks like a bit of an older restoration, as the paint looks too good to be original. So I'd say it's a really nice, usable example, and you'd want to use it with that exhaust system because it does sound incredible. We'll give it a little rev, not a big one. So it does sound, well, we think it sounds like an old F1 car. Why don't you let us know what it sounds like in the comments. So yeah, good luck to everyone who enters, and yeah, I'm really jealous. It's a really, really cool bike. It's probably a bike I'd like to own and race around on. Yeah, go to the Classic Competition Company, buy a ticket, and like I said, good luck if you enter. See if it revs up a bit more.